Hello, so how can we get the question on the board? So it is a direct proportion question. So for those preparing for GCSE, for WASSCE, GCSE in UK, and also for those preparing for WASSCE and for those preparing for UTME, so you can follow me for more videos on different topics. So I'm going to give you more topics. I'll solve different topics for you to master, so in order for it to come out in flying colors. Now let's get this question solved. It's very simple. So the question says c is directly proportional to the square root of y. When c is 12.8 and y is 16, we have to answer two questions here. The first one is to express c in terms of y, and the second question is to find the value of c when y is 400. So two questions. So they are very simple. So what we need to do is to get the logic of solving it. Now we are going back to the question. It says c is directly proportional. We have directly proportional questions, we have inversely proportional, and we have directly proportional. So you have to take note if it is directly proportional or inversely proportional. Now this question is directly proportional to the square root of y. It can be anything. It can tell you that to the square of y. So now this case is to the square root of y. So you have to write down the format, which is c is directly proportional to the square root of y. So this is it. Now we need for this, don't forget this is direct proportional question or sign. This is direct proportional sign. So now we need a constant k. So we're going to have c equals to k times square root of y. Now this is the expression that is connecting a c and y, but we need to find the value of the constant k, which we have introduced here. So it's a value which we need to find. That is the reason why we are given c equals to 12.8 and y equals to 16. So you need to substitute this into this expression to find the value of k. So let's go. So here we have 12.8 equals to k times square root of, what is y? Y is 16. So you substitute y here. So we have 12.8 equals to square root of 16 is 4. So therefore we have k times 4. So we have 12.8 equals to 4k. Now because we are looking for k, you have to divide both sides by this 4. So we have k equals to 12.8 divided by 4, and this is going to give us 4 divided by 12 is 3. You put your point. 12 divided by 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the answer is 3.2. So you substitute the value of k back into this formula. So we have c equals to 3.2 times square root of y. So this is the formula or the equation. This is the equation connecting c and y, which we are asked to look for. Now question 2 says find c when y is 400. So we have to find c when y is 400. How can we get it solved? It's very simple. So what we need to do is to substitute this value of y into this formula here and get the value for c. So therefore c is equals to 3.2 times square root of y. Y is 400. So you substitute here again. So we have 3.2 times square root of 400 is 20. When you multiply this, we are going to have 64. So c is equals to, hence we have c equals to 64. Thank you.